Hello and welcome to Floatats. In this tutorial, we're gonna be making this new paper icon animation inside of After Effects. Before we do anything, I wanna let you know that you can download all of my project files for only just $1. You can check the Patreon for that. Check the first link in the description. We can animate these layers by just animating the path layer that you can find under content right here. But once you get to the corners, it's gonna be challenging. As you can see here, you have to animate these points as well, but there is a trick we can do so we can animate the entire thing. What we're gonna do, we're gonna just create a stroke. Select your pen tool and create a stroke just like this. Once you get the stroke done, just increase the stroke width right here, just like this. Then go to the content of the shape, then add a trim path. Then you're gonna animate the end just like this. Make it 0 at the end. And go 1 second later and make it 100. Then we're gonna ease this. Just and play with the graph editor like this. Then we're gonna have this stroke animated. Then what we're gonna do is go to the shape we want to animate, search for the effect called set matte from the effects and presets panel and drop it into your shape. Then what you're gonna do, you select your shape, then hide your shape layer, then your animation is done. You can do the same thing by creating the stroke to the other one. Just duplicate the stroke, don't do anything, just duplicate it, rotate it 180 degrees, just like this. Then we're gonna put it on top of the front shape, increase the stroke width, then change this point, select your point tool and change this point to make it fit the entire shape, and there you have it. Do the same thing, drop the set matte effect on top of the shape and select our shape or our stroke, then hide the stroke. There you have it. Now it's all a matter of the timing. Just time the animation, select the keyframes right here and drag them to the right until this, once the back shape ends animating, we need to the front shape to be animated, just like so. Now you get the animation. It's just a matter of timing and you get it right. That's it for this tutorial. Make sure to download the project file from the link in the description, and as always, find what makes you happy and make that your life. Bye.
Shake you.